everyone, and welcome to my scrappy space. So today I get the privilege of playing along with some wonderful YouTubers, which I will have listed down below. And we are doing Through the Seasons. Now this has been a collaboration with Jeanielinguine, and she has done Through the Rainbow Season 1 and then also Through the Rainbow 2.0. I wasn't able to do 2.0, but I did get to play around with the first one, and I went through a lot of my product, and I was able to go through all of my rainbow sections of paper, and it was fabulous. I have paper that I love. And then I also went ahead and I segregated some fall and winter and travel and camping, just things that I really wanted to have separately. So now we are doing Through the Seasons. We are doing it seasonally. We'll be doing the first quarter, and that will be winter, and we will be doing January, February, and March. And we'll just be working on this one kit. So the kit is pretty large. So I'm going to show you the papers that I pulled in, and I have some oldies, let me tell you, and I'm super excited. So not only did I work off papers, I also worked off some stickers. So let's go ahead and just get going. So this is the first one that I brought in. This is from Bo Bunny, and I don't even know the dates. 2012. Yeah. It's an oldie, but look at it's just adorable, and look at all of the little different snowflakes and swirlies, and oh, so much fun. I love it. And this is on the back, and I don't see anything that I would want or need. I am really just obsessed with this paper. And then I went ahead and got some cardstock, pulled some white in. I have this beautiful blue from I don't know where. Paper pad that's not even Christmas or anything. So I brought those in, and then I also brought in this from a paper pad, and I don't know if I will use it or not, but we're just, you know, making some page kits. So I'm going to set these all over to the side as I go through them. This is the next one that I brought in, and I will be bringing in cardstock as well. I was just kind of getting excited about getting things going here. And this is Winter Wishes. I'm not sure. It's a Moxie paper. Moxie. And it's super cute. I love the little guy here. A little snowman. And I just brought in a very simple wood grain. And then I always have white to the side. Now this one I am building from some stickers. So this is the sticker sheet. This is a Jeanielinguine. This is old. And let me see. I love it though. Look at it with this little mouse and the snowman. I just love him. I think he's great. And I've had him forever, and I am not about to get rid of him, but I am about to use him. So I pulled this in. I love this blue here with these little swirlies. It kind of reminds me of snowflakes. And then I brought in some red for a pop of color, some white, and just some blue. So I think that'll be super fun. Here's the next one. This is another Bo Bunny, and probably the same year. It's from Powdered Mountain. But look at those pine cones. Isn't that beautiful paper, you guys? And then this is the back of it. This is 2012 as well. And I brought in some light blue cardstock, some white, of course, this dark brown. This is like a camping paper, and which is gorgeous. And then I brought this one in too, just because you just never know. And then I actually have two of those, which I'm super excited about. What's on the back side here? Oh, that won't go at all. But so I have two of these, and then I love the gray wood grain, which is always an option as well. So that's my next one. I'm just so excited to be playing with these. And I went off this sticker sheet. This is just a winter sticker sheet that I had. I didn't have any papers or anything to go with it. And then I have had this kit that is from, this is heritagemakers.com, but I think that's Creative Memories. I don't know. but I've had this for a long time, and this is actually a very elegant, very pretty collection. And for some reason, I have had it in my purge, and I've pulled it out of my purge, and I am so glad that I have not done that. And this is the paper. It has these strips, and then look at how pretty that is. I mean, it's gorgeous. And I am going to probably use this in my next collection obsession. And then this is the back side. There are lots of different textures. And this is just a gray. Now this looks like a linen piece here. And then this is like a soft, I don't know if you guys can see probably not. Just like a grid there. And then this is a linen looking piece of paper. Just so pretty, so pretty. But I brought these in. And then I also brought this in, and this I got from this. I thought that would go perfectly, so I have something fun to build off of. And I may bring in some dark brown cardstock. I have some with my other stuff, and I'm not limiting myself to anything. If I want to bring something else in, I'm going to bring it in. But this is a good start, and I didn't want to get too overwhelmed with everything, so I really like that one. So this is what I'm working off of. I'm using some more of that Creative Memories. I believe it's Creative Memories, you guys. I feel bad about that. And then I have just brought in all of these different pieces. So I think you can see that pretty good okay there. And then I have these 8.5 by 11, and these are super old, but they're pine trees, and I thought I could do a lot of fussy cutting with it. Not fussy cut, I could do a lot of my die cutting with those, using them for background. This red is what I was looking at, this texture here. Here is some blue. I thought that would be nice to bring in. Try to get these colors out here for you guys. And then here's some more of that paper that I picked up from that Creative Memories there. And here are some strips, some stripes, and all kinds of fun things. Here's another piece just to bring in all the different colors. And look at these 4x6. Aren't those pretty? And I think they go so well, even though they have nothing to do with winter. And then some of these on the back. So I'm excited about that one. Excited about that. Using some of these older products up. This one was a sticker sheet from Photo Play, and then I did have some papers, so I went ahead and just grabbed those. Here are some little bits and bobs that I fussy cut out. I wanted to bring in this wood grain. I mainly wanted to use this piece of paper up. I went with scraps. I went with everything when I built my kit. And then I did like this little bit of teal I wanted to bring in. I thought that just to, you know, back photos or something like that. Because I want to use mainly the darker pieces. So there's that one. Okay, I've had this for like ever. But it's an SEI. And boy, I wish I knew some of the dates on this stuff. But I really like these snowmen and this little polar bear here and this penguin. I thought they're so cute, and I'm going to use them. I think they're adorable. So I pulled in a couple of papers for this one. Just a little bit of the red to bring that in. It's kind of more of a maroon. And then I still had this 8.5 by 11 paper that I thought I could use with something, and then this blue and this gray color kind of looks a little snowy. And then of course I will be bringing in some dies and things, so there's that one. And then I just had one more, and that's going to be my collection, but I will show you some of the embellishments that I'm going to be bringing in as well. Now this does have more of a lent towards Christmas, but I thought it was just so cute, and it just really inspired me. And I just really liked the papers, and I thought, you know what, that's wintry. Yeah, it's a little bit towards Christmas, but that's okay. And this is, I'm sure, a scrap room kit. There's those. Then here's on the back side, such pretty papers. So those are the ones that I picked out. So I have quite a few shapes, die cuts, that type of thing that I'm going to be bringing in. Just various ones. My new one from my bestie. So I have trees and snowflakes, branches. I just have various ones that I will be bringing in. Of course, snowflakes, which, yay. And then, of course, I want to remember to bring in some alphas. So I just have a little bit of variety here, just to remind myself to grab my alphas, because you guys know how I am about those. And I'll have my enamel dots as well. So that is what I've done for my through the season kit. I don't know if I'm going to be showing layouts as I am doing them, just because of the season that I'm in. I work in the tax field, and so it's getting kind of crazy, if you know what I mean. I want to thank you guys for watching. I'm really curious to know which one was your favorite one. If you guys have any of this old product, I would love to know. I want to make sure that I'm not the only one that has something from 2012, if you know what I mean. No. I hope you guys are reaching into your stash and pulling out fun things that you've had for a while. I am just really enjoying going back through my old product and finding some of these beautiful treasures. I'm so excited to get these scrapbooked, not only for having a special memory, but also this beautiful paper. And I hope you guys will check out everybody below. Please give me a thumbs up if you don't mind, and subscribe to my channel. I'd really appreciate it. And I hope you guys are having a super amazing day and you're out there making lots of memories. We'll talk to you real soon. Bye-bye.